I wanted to make something stodgy and chewy that didn't feel old-fashioned, so I made this pistachio and chocolate mochi cake. It's addictively nutty and chocolatey, springy, it's surprisingly easy. It's based on the mochi cake formula by Sohla El-Waylly that she created for Food 52. We'll start out by blending together half a cup of sugar, half a cup of any milk you like, and a quarter of a cup of melted butter, one egg and a teaspoon of vanilla, and then about a quarter of a cup of pure pistachio butter. This is literally just pistachios, nothing else. I made mine myself, but you can also buy it. It looks a bit strange at this stage, a bit like some kind of awful green gloop, but it smells really good. In a separate bowl, you want to stir together 1 cup of mochiko, that's glutinous rice flour. So if you're shopping for that at the Asian supermarket, you want to look for glutinous rice flour on the packaging, not regular rice flour. Half a cup of chocolate chips, I use dark chocolate, and a good pinch of salt. Now you want to bring the two together, stir it together until it's totally smooth. You can't overmix this, there's no gluten, so just go for it. Pour it into a lined and greased loaf tin. I baked mine in an air fryer at 165 degrees for about 50 minutes, turning it halfway through. If you were going to use a regular oven, I'd probably put it up to 175. Once it's golden on the top and just springy in the middle, let it cool completely. Once it's completely cooled, cut it into squares, and then you can serve it as is with something like ice cream, or it's even good with butter. It's chewy, toasty, a little nutty, a little gooey. It's weird in the best way. Save this one if you want a unique take on the chocolate pistachio combo that isn't too over the top.